Are you experiencing issues with your LG G7 ThinQ not connecting to the internet? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore several methods on how to fix LG G7 ThinQ no internet connection and help you reconnect seamlessly. Whether you're hunting for a quick fix or more advanced troubleshooting, we've got you covered. Step 1. Restart your device. The simplest solution is often the most effective. Rebooting your phone can resolve minor software glitches that may be causing connectivity issues. Turn off and on. Press and hold the power button, select Restart, and wait for your LG G7 ThinQ to reboot. Once it powers back up, check if the internet connection has been restored. Step 2. Check network settings. Ensuring your network settings are correctly configured is crucial for a stable internet connection. Toggle airplane mode. Swipe down to access the quick settings menu, activate airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and turn it off again. This can often refresh your network settings and restore connectivity. Verify Wi-Fi setting. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, and ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled. Select your preferred network and verify that you've entered the correct password. Step 3. Reset network settings. If toggling settings didn't work, consider resetting them to default. This won't delete any data, but you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. Reset network. Navigate to Settings, System, Reset, Network Settings Reset. Confirm the action and allow the device to reset all network settings. After completing the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Update your software. Outdated software can cause connectivity issues with your device. Make sure your phone's software is up to date. Check for updates. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and ensure you have the latest updates installed. Updates often contain bug fixes that can resolve connectivity issues. Step 5. Check for interference. Physical obstructions or electronic devices can interfere with your Wi-Fi connection. Avoid obstructions. Ensure there are no large objects or obstructions between your router and your LG G7 ThinQ. Proximity to your router can improve connectivity. Minimize electronic interference. Keep your phone away from devices like microwaves or cordless phones, which can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Step 6. Contact your carrier or service provider. If none of the above methods work, the issue might be with your provider. Consult your carrier. Get in touch with your carrier to check if there are any known issues with your service in your area. They might be able to provide additional assistance or troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your LG G7 ThinQ back online. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but with these fixes, you'll be well equipped to handle connectivity issues. Always prioritize checking simpler solutions before moving on to more complex ones. Whether you're restarting your device, adjusting network settings, or reaching out to support teams, the tips in this guide should help you restore your LG G7 ThinQ's internet connection. Enjoy being back online and take on the digital world with confidence.